Where does the word volcano come from? Have you ever thought about why volcanoes are actually called volcanoes? Can you think of a reason why? The word volcano comes from the island Vulcano, which is a volcanic island in Italy. And there is a picture of Vulcano in Italy. The island actually gets its name from the Roman god of fire, Vulcan. Roman mythology says that Vulcan lived in a volcano. As well as being the god of fire, he made many weapons and forged them using metal and fire. He was a very skilled blacksmith. Romans believed that if Vulcan was made angry, the volcano would erupt. So they tried their best to please him and not anger him. So forged means to have made or shaped a metal using a fire or a furnace. What is our Earth made of? So here we can see part of the Earth has been cut away. On the edge we have the crust. This is the outer layer of the Earth. It varies in thickness from 0 to 60 kilometers thick. It is not even and is made up of pieces which overlap to cover the entire planet. These pieces are called tectonic plates. The next layer is called the mantle. The mantle is approximately 2,897 kilometers thick and is made of a solid rocky substance called molten rock or magma. This is what escapes when a volcano erupts. Then we have the outer core. The outer core is a liquid layer made of molten iron and nickel. This liquid metal creates the Earth's magnetic field. And finally, on the inside, we have the inner core. This is a solid layer and is made of iron and nickel. It is the hottest part of the Earth and can reach temperatures of up to 5,500 degrees centigrade. Remember, boiling point for your kettle is 100 degrees. Where are most volcanoes located? So here we have the tectonic plates, the Eurasian plate, the India-Australian plate, the Pacific plate, and the North American plate. The Nazca plate, the South American, Caribbean, Antarctic plate. These are the tectonic plates. And we have the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is an area of the Pacific Ocean that is shaped like a horseshoe. It is home to 90% of the world's earthquakes and 75% of the world's volcanoes. It contains a string of 452 volcanoes which stretches from the southern tip of South America along the coast of North America down through Japan and into New Zealand. How are volcanoes formed? Deep in the earth it is extremely hot. It is so hot, in fact, that rocks actually melt and form magma, which makes up the mantle of the Earth. The upper mantle mixes and moves, which creates pressure underneath the crust. This pressure can sometimes cause the mantle to leak out onto the surface of the Earth. This is a volcano. Over time, as this magma leaks out, the volcano will get bigger and bigger. 3 stages of volcanoes. Scientists have placed volcanoes into 3 different categories. We've got active. An active volcano is one that has erupted recently and there is the possibility it might erupt again. Dormant. Dormant is a volcano that has not erupted for a long time. However, it may still erupt in the future. An extinct. An extinct volcano is one which has erupted thousands of years ago, but it will probably never erupt again. Why do volcanoes erupt? The movement causes friction, which causes earthquakes and volcanic eruptions near the edges of the plates. The theory that explains this process is called plate tectonics. This means the plates are moving in different directions and at different speeds. Sometimes they collide or brush past each other and cause these earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. So friction is the resistance created when one surface rubs against another. And if you rub your hands together right now, the resistance will make your hands get hotter. What are the different parts of a volcano? We've got the vent. That's where the opening is. We've got the ash cloud. It's the ash created by volcanic explosion. The crater, which is the mouth of the volcano. The throat, where it is the entrance and where the lava and volcanic ash eject. The conduit, which is an underground passage which magma travels through. At the bottom, we've got the magma reservoir, where the pool of magma sits. How many volcanoes are there? There are more than 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth, and there are more than 80 volcanoes under the ocean, although these are the ones that have just been discovered. Have a look at the diagram of the volcano showing you the inside. Can you draw and label your own diagram accurately? Look at the next page and it will show you again. What are the different parts of a volcano? We've got the vent. That's where the opening is. We've got the ash cloud. It's the ash created by volcanic explosion. The crater, which is the mouth of the volcano. The throat, where it is the entrance and where the lava and volcanic ash eject. The conduit, which is an underground passage which magma travels through. At the bottom, we've got the magma reservoir, where the pool of magma sits.